Welcome to Millionaire Hustle. Today, I'm going to show you something incredible. Google's brand new AI image model, Nano Banana, which you can use to make these viral images. First up, we'll be using Google's 2.5 Flash model. This is the magic engine behind the images we're about to create. Now, let's dive in. I'm going to click Create My Own Custom Minifigure. Google thinks for a second, and then it asks me to provide a picture. So, let's use Chris Hemsworth. The AI takes a moment, and boom, it generates a high-resolution minifigure image. Look at that quality. There's a little mistake in the name, but honestly, the picture is spot on. And the best part? You can easily download it with just one click. Now, let's start a brand new Gemini chat. This time, I ask, turn me into a superhero. And again, Gemini asks for an image. I drop in Chris Hemsworth's photo, it loads, and here it is, a superhero version of Chris Hemsworth. Pretty epic, right? And yes, you can download this one too. All right, let's try something more professional. In another Gemini chat, I type, make me a professional headshot. Same process. Upload the Hemsworth photo. Wait a moment. And, wow, a clean, professional-looking headshot ready to use anywhere. So, there you have it. Google's new Nano Banana model is powerful, fun, and packed with potential. Try it yourself, create something viral, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me here on Millionaire Hustle for more AI secrets.